Okay, operationally speaking, for the GT Fire, this is the universal on-off button that we're just going to go ahead and press. It's going to then go through and tell you the serial number, a couple little other pertinent information about the battery, and then it's going to start asking you some questions. It says our filter's in good condition. Notice this soft arrow key. I'm going to hit the yes button. It's then going to ask us to block the pump. I can either block the pump or skip it. I'm going to go ahead and block this pump. Notice that the fault test was successful. Again, soft arrow key. Going to hit next. And now it's going to do a countdown where it's booting up, heating up the LEL sensors, checking the EEPROMs, giving you calibration dates. You'll notice that this one is out of calibration date. We're going to do a calibration on this in the next series of videos. But I am going to say yes, soft arrow key, yes to continue. It does a quick 0 on some sensors, and then we'll go into what we call real-time readings. In this particular instrument, it's going to go into what we call leak detection. So you'll notice you're in leak detection. If you'll look at it real close here, let me zoom in just a hair, you'll notice it's in what we call ppm hydrocarbon. So you hear the ticking. As the gas gets closer to it, the ticking will be upbeat, and you will get readings up to 2000 ppm before it auto ranges over into LEL on this particular instrument. To get it out of leak detection mode, if you have confined space sensors inside here, O2, LEL, H2S, and CO, how you get to that is by pressing these two buttons, and you'll notice real quick it goes and just moves from leak test down to confined space. What I'm going to do is just use this arrow down and show you how to maneuver those if you wanted to. That'll be important when we get back into leak test. So I'm going to hit confined space mode and hit again the soft arrow key. What you'll notice now is we're in the 4 gas arena. So it's no longer doing leak detection, ppm hydrocarbon if you would. It is now doing the basic 4. So you are in an O2, an LEL, percent LEL environment, CO, and H2S. Again, basic 4 with a pump. If I wanted to get it back into leak detection, I simply would hit both of these two again, noticing that it is back into that mode, and I would just use the up or down arrow to get back into leak detection. Again, hitting the soft arrow key for the OK button, and now I'm back into leak test. To get into, or to turn the instrument off, what we're simply going to do is press and hold these two pieces past the menu, and you can see it goes itself into a countdown and shuts itself off.